Hello everyone, Carla here from Skylarks Design. Today I am unboxing my PRS100 and you're gonna unbox it with me. All right, hey Natalie. My scissors. Woo woo! Excited. All right, so I'm gonna start. I am so excited to have it unboxed. Okay, so lid. All right. All of this down. Apparently there's an actual way to open it, so I'm gonna follow all the directions of unboxing it. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm supposed to open the top first. Inside looks like that. So let's take off this piece of paper, and then we have here this hoop. Another hoop, the cord, instruction manual. I think by far this is the largest instruction manual I've ever seen in a machine. It's really thick. But I hope it has everything I need in it to tell me exactly what to do, because I've never used this machine before. So it's gonna come in handy. And I have some toolkits. Nice. Some pre-wound bobbins are in here. Happy about that one. And the cord. All right, so that's everything that's on top of there. All right, so now it says I have to take off the bottom. Okay, so on the bottom there's these things. I have to take them out, and there's 4 of them. Ow. I'm still here. One of my lock things aren't coming out. Oh, finally got it. There's more than 4. There's 6 of them. Another one. Another one. One more. Last one. Here we go. Okay, and now I'm supposed to lift this box off. Just gonna put it over to the side. It's gonna be a lot of recycling this week. Okay, so on this side there's stuff on the outside, so let's take them inside this. So there's a whole bunch of parts. I have no idea. Oh, there's small hoops. There's some really tiny hoops. Those will come in really handy for those little onesies. On this side, it's the arm for the machine, for the needle hoop, I'm assuming. And I think that's it. Let me double check to make sure I don't miss anything. Yep, that's it. So now to take off. Now it's just taking this off. And take this off. Whoop, whoop. And here is my PRS100. I think it's kind of heavy. I don't think I'll be able to pick it up, so let me try. Yeah, definitely not. So I'm just gonna get some help to get this machine on there and come back.